Alright, this is just a quick video to show how to put on a hose mender. It's a very easy process, but there's a few things you can do to make the job just a little bit easier. I'm using a Orbit hose mender. You can get these at Lowe's or Home Depot or something like that. Now be sure you cut your hose straight across. I got a little nick in this one, but that ain't going to matter. And then you're going to insert, this is a female end, and the easiest way to get these in is to screw it onto the opposite end, and then it's flush. Otherwise it's hard to get this piece in far enough, and then you shove it up in there. It's especially if you were trying to put this into a this is a 3/4 hose, and these hose menders are like for 5/8 or 3/4, and if you were trying to put this on a 5/8 hose, this would make it a whole lot easier. And then once you've got that, you can go ahead and take that off, get it out of your way. Alright, so they're labeling, it tells you this side to the fitting and this side to the hose. If they're not labeled like that, it really doesn't matter. And just push that down nice and tight and get your other half. Line those screws up and just kind of start the first one. And then just zip them down. Now get that up good and tight. Once you get them started, get it lined up toward the top like that, and then zip them down. And there you go. That's got your hose mender put in place. Like I said, this is a pretty easy thing, but being able to screw that on there and knowing to do that makes that part much easier. And then do this just half and half. Just keep going back and forth, otherwise you can bust this clamp right here. Anyway, hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching.